BBAI here, earnings are coming out pretty soon, with the current price here being $4.55, down about 3% today. The overall market is a bit shaky nowadays. It is March 5th, 2025. I'm just going to go over a major support level to watch out for, as well as some resistances on the way up. So I'm going to start off by saying, in my opinion, yes, long term, I do believe BBAI is going to have a lot of upside potential. Now, in the short term, I'm going to go ahead and share with you where I think the major support is and where the potential bottom is. I want to let you guys know that the 50 EMA is below the 200 EMA on the weekly chart. But if we zoom in here, we could see that the 50 EMA is crossing above the 100 EMA. So we're starting to have some bullish momentum, right? Of course, this is happening mainly because we had a low here of 58 cents. And then now we had a high of $10.36. So there's a reversal coming into the chart, right? Once we see that 50 EMA cross above the 200 EMA, that would be a golden cross on the weekly chart, which I would expect to see potentially even all-time high. And our recent high here being 10.36, with the all-time high being $16.12. A golden cross could potentially move us all the way back up to the all-time high. I'm just giving you a heads up right now. That's just my personal opinion, right? For the downside, right? Let's go into the daily chart to get this in a better view. We're already pretty close to the bottom here, in my opinion. Current price is $4.50. If there is any more downside, it's only, in my opinion, about a 15% drop from where we are currently. And that's going to be at a low of $3.90. Why $3.90? I'm looking at this from the Fibonacci retracement level. This is just a potential support level I'm keeping an eye out for. And I don't think we break below $3.90 unless, I don't know, something really bad happens in the overall market, or there's really bad news for BBAI stock. But as of right now, I think $3.90 is a good level to potentially either add in, or just keep in mind $3.90 is a major support level where I don't think we'll break down below. That's just my opinion. Now, in terms of the upside, right, the first upside move we're going to probably see is a test towards the 50 EMA on the daily chart. Now, this could occur very soon. It's about a 12% move up. In the short term, whether it's BBAI news or earnings, or the overall market is headed back up, watch for a test towards the 50 EMA on the daily chart. That's at $5.23, a 12% move towards the top side. The next level after that could occur within a month or two, or again, if there's really good news, right? That is going to be at $6.50, which is a 39% move towards the top side, nearly 40% from our current prices. After 650, the next resistance is going to be at 835. Do I think this is going to be tested? I do, but just note that each resistance we get towards, it's going to take a lot longer, in my opinion. Just a possibility, right? Of course, we might get a potential run up all the way up to 1036 in a short amount of time, but realistically, in most scenarios, it takes time for a reversal to occur. And know that there's going to be a lot of volatility in BBAI. Okay, so 40% move for the first one. Second one is going to be about a 80% move to 835, followed by our recent high there of 1036. That's going to be a 124% move. Do I think this is going to happen immediately? No, I don't think so. Realistically, I think this might take some time, but I do think $10.36 will be tested eventually. Now, I think the stock market is just a matter of patience. If you know your due diligence, if you know what the stock is, and if you're a firm believer in its profits and in its future and how it's going to affect the economy in the U.S. and all, be sure to just stick to your due diligence, right? Do your own due diligence, stick to your own research, and know what you own, in my opinion. Here I am just sharing on a technical standpoint of view that the chart looks really good, in my opinion. Daily chart, 50 EMA crossed above. If you look at the weekly chart, we're about to have a bullish signal, a bullish golden crossover. 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA could occur here pretty soon, in my opinion. 50 EMA already crossing above the 100 EMA. That's another signal showing me that we might have a golden crossover pretty soon. Let me know what you guys think down below for BBAI stock. If you are long-term in this, join our Discord, link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members there, and it's free to join. Lastly, if you're looking for our live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon, currently at a 90% permanent discount. Okay, 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Those that are joining get to keep the permanent discount moving forward. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you on the next video for BBAI stock.